All right, finished up these Greek key nightstands. Yeah, I'm just a big fan of these things. I love all the detail. They're just awesome. The layering, you know, and everything is just completely bespoke. It's all handmade. The hardware is made by us. It's awesome. So yeah, nice and glossy. I know I'm not the best photographer. That's my wife's job, but you can just see how beautiful it is. Just got more soft close, cherry drawers, looking good. These things, I believe, are going to Texas, I think. Well, I don't know.